Horses out here, pencil away, pass to begin, moving up party out, so now is up and slew, may bukas pa, Mamika, then followed by Smarties and Toy Warrior is the early trailer, we have pencil away, the leader by the lane, Kanehapa, may bukas pa in second, Mamika alongside, then followed by Open Slew, Toy Warrior is racing in fifth and is Marias. They swing into the back. Pencil away just in front. Moving up party out. So now is Mamika. Alain Kenehap back in third. Open Slew. May bukas pa in fourth. Then comes Toy Warrior and is Marias. And it's still pencil away by Oranek. Mamika now moving up party outside second. And in third remains Open Slew. May bukas pa in fourth. Then comes Marias and Toy Warrior. Pencil away by only a head. And moving up party out so now is Mamika. Open Slew into last. They come down at the last 150. Mamika takes the lead. Then on the outside is Open Slew. Pencil away is down on the inside. Mamika. Open Slew is on the outside. But it's still Mamika. Open Slew now moves up. Open Slew, Mamika. And finally it's Open Slew, Mamika. Pencil away, may bukas pa. Then comes Marias, Toy Warrior.